Hey guys, it is September the 20th, 2022, and today I'm going to take some oleander cuttings that I've had in some water soaking since August the 29th, and we're going to pot those up. Thank you for watching. As I was cleaning up the oleander a little bit, I just took the clippings, the cuttings, and they've been soaking in water for a few days, and we finally get a little bit of root growth. Here's the cup that I've had the oleander sitting in for a few days since August the 29th. Today is September the 20th, and we're going to take a look and see. As you can see, lots of nice root growth. Time to go into some soil and let that help them grow a little bit longer. Here's a quick little update on the desert rose cuttings that I did on August the 29th. Today is September the 20th, and as you can see, do have some new growth coming out on the cuttings. A few little pieces. And the mother plant that I took the cuttings from, that I had cut down to nearly nothing, has lots of new growth and a couple of buds, actually three blooms getting ready to come out. September the 20th, 2022. Again, the cuttings were done on August the 29th. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on my cuttings and other plantings. As you can see here, our Plumeria are starting to get signs of life and growth. Some more than others, but still beginning to come alive. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.